This is green. Beautiful place. The grass is green. At least let's enjoy the green scenery for a few days. When winter kicks in, everything will be dying. Grass, trees. But for now, the scenery is beautiful. Yeah. These people, they are able even to to cut grass even on the field. Oh my God. The lawn is big. This is the suburbs of South Lake. South Lake is, where rich people live. So it's kind of rural. It's it's a nice place. I enjoy when I pass through this place. I do enjoy the sceneries. The beautiful sceneries, I do enjoy them a lot. Unaona vile inchi iko green kabisa. Very beautiful. So watu wengine wanafikiria America ni ghorofa tu siko huko. No. We have rural America. This is a part of it. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, you have to stop at the stop sign, especially like this one. You give way to one another before you go. Now it's my turn to go. Yeah. Here people use common sense. When you get to how can I call it? A T junction. Yeah, you have 4 stops, so you give each other space. Whoever was first to stop at the stop sign, so you just